Yay, Christmas came early this year. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to share all of my Amazon purchases with you so your home and my home can look fly for 2022. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope every one of you are doing well today. So, guys, I have decided to do an Amazon haul. Now, I am currently in Atlanta, probably right now before you see this video, but before I left, I wanted to share with you guys these Amazon packages that I picked up, that I ordered for Amazon for 2022. I got some home decor pieces that I think makes a difference in your home. So guys, Christmas came early for me. And before I begin, I just wanted to say that this video is sponsored by Teddy Blake. Now I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I decided to treat myself to something grand for the holidays. That's right. I went ahead and I ordered me a beautiful new bag, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing with you guys. So let me just get comfortable and let me just pop this box open. Again, I wanted a statement piece bag, and I think that Teddy Blake is the perfect company to go to because their products are luxury. And here it is, Teddy Blake, New York. Okay, and again, their products. You can smell the leather. I really do hope everybody's doing well today. I hope you know how much you matter. And how nicely it's well packaged. Ooh-wee. This stunning Ava Croco bag by Teddy Blake is beautiful. Look at the craftsmanship and attention to detail. The inside features a suede lining, lots of jewelry. Look at that gold on the bag. This bag is made of quality luxury. Start your collection today with Teddy Blake. Give this as a gift or buy it for yourself. Check out their website. There's so many colors to choose from. I am so in love with my Teddy Blake bag. This is my luxury gift to myself for the holidays. Guys, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and open up my first package here, and unfortunately I'm looking at it and it looks kind of dark already. I'm just gonna bust these boxes open, guys, and they are these taupe color curtains, that velvet curtains that I wanted for the winter. Now as I'm looking at them, they look a little bit chocolatey, on the chocolate side. I don't know. Now I have a bad habit of when I see something like, oh no, that's not what I wanted, take it back, take it off, whatever, without completing the project. So this does look a little darker than what I wanted. However, they are velvet curtains. The size is 54 by 108, and look at how beautiful this color is. So actually, it's looking like a beautiful color. So here's the packaging here. And I'm going to put the links in the description box on every item. But I think velvet curtains in the winter or whenever really make your home look luxurious. It really, yes, look at this. So honestly, I think it goes. Here goes my taupe pillow, and they go, guys. They go. And I'm going to be keeping these. Now, I'm going to try to hang these up today. I may not. I may have to do another video for you guys. But here they are here. You can see how beautiful the color is. Now what I did is I only ordered 2 panels, and these panels were about 50 something dollars. The price will be here or there for you. And I only bought 2 only because I always look at the quantity to make sure there's going to be enough for me to wait, but I only wanted to order 2 for now, just to make sure that they are going to hang right, that they are the right color. So unless I know for sure, I don't always buy a whole complete set, like I need all 4 panels or 6 panels or whatever I'm going to use. I do a tester first with my products. So yes, these are my curtains. I'm liking them. Here it is. and these are from Amazon, and I got 2 panels in a pack, and the price is up there somewhere to the next one. Okay, so I picked up this runner for my entryway, and it's a 2 by 6. I'm hoping that, you know, it's as long as it says it is. And I wanted to put a little bit more warmth in my entryway. Now I have a rug there already that I got from Five Below. It's very reminiscent to this, and I got it, but it's not quite long enough, and I don't feel like doing any sewing. I know how to sew, but I just don't feel like sewing them together. I do have a couple of them, but I'm not sewing them together. So anyway, I got this. I'm gonna try it out. Nice and long. It's durable. It has enough black to masquerade, you know, like I don't let people walk around with shoes in my house, but it does have enough black in it to hide any dust and dirt, you know, and it's washable. So that's why I bought it. It's inexpensive. I'm sure it's gonna look lovely in the entryway. I got a little box, the baby box. And I got the little one, big one. So, let's see. Oh, nice. I wonder what's in here, because I thought something, I don't know what's in here. I forgot what I ordered. Okay, so I got these 3 home decor vases. Ooh, I'm gonna have to vacuum. It has like the styrofoam all over it, but look, I got a little baby. I got the mama, and I got the papa. Ooh, and they are just the right size for my entryway. I think for the entryway, we all need pieces that make a statement as soon as you come in. For me, it's simplicity. And I like to change it around a lot, but I don't want to spend the money. So you see me do my entryway, put different pieces in my entryway many times. So I want to get away from the pedestal bowl and try these. And I think that they make a statement whether you put flowers or a branch in it or not. I'm going to pair it with the runner rug that I just got. 99 for these beautiful artistic vases, and Amazon carries a lot of these different types of vases for your home. So if you want to you know, buy something, you don't have to buy the same, you don't have to be at the same price point, you can do something for your budget, but these are essential pieces that you need to just make a statement for, you know, in your home decor, and you can recycle something that you have, but these are just, you know, what I do. And you can also buy these and paint it a different color. So this right here is a modern, simple, I love this, ceramic vase. It has that one gold ribbon around it, really lovely. It definitely makes a statement. But when I buy from Amazon, I love to shop for Prime products. I ordered this and it came in one day. Like most of these products, I purchased came in one day. They came immediately. I ordered them and I was like, delivered to me tomorrow. So that was also a deal. So depending on where you live and the time that you order, you may be able to get, you know, items from Amazon the next day, home decor items as well. Do you ever have comforter sets that you purchase and it comes with these extra pillows in here, the throw pillows that you really don't know what to do with? Well, I have a few of those and I do keep them. It's hard to store away sometimes, but I don't necessarily always use it on my bed. But what I did recently, and I'm sure many of you know this trick as well, is that I purchased with my Amazon haul these marble throw pillow covers, and they come two. There's some of these that come four, but I just picked up these two, and I'm going to use this for my black and gold theme for the holidays. And I want to put this on a settee that I have in my dining room area. It's a cream settee, and I just wanted to see if I can just give it a little bit of pop when no one's sitting there, just to make a statement. So here is one of the pillows that I am not using from one of my comforter sets. And I'm just gonna go ahead, pop it right on in. The opening is very small, so you have to be careful. Just take your time here. Picture light. Wasn't expensive. It was only $37.99. Look how easy that is. Okay, and it comes in this gold color. Now, when I first looked at it, I wasn't too fond of the gold color, but then I realized I can touch this up. So it's an inexpensive picture light, and it just goes on like that. And yeah, you can, it's flexible, you can move it around. Really cool, $37, and it comes in a couple of different colors. It has a wireless remote like this. I only bought one for now because, again, I like to test out before I commit. So I'm going to go ahead and order me about 4 more of these. They're $37.99 a piece and doesn't have any hard wiring. So I think you save on cost for there. And again, you know, this really spruces up your home when you have that picture light above your mirror or above your picture, your painting, your artwork. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Of these Wise plugs. Now, you can get the Wise app, and I already have it, but we all need some of these plugs. Now, I picked up a few of these, but these smart plugs are so convenient, especially like for this time of the year with your Christmas tree, and you don't want to, you know how you don't want to leave your Christmas tree on all night, or even your lamps. home decor fixtures are on when you want it to be on and off when you need it to be off. So yes, these are the Wise plugs and they are on Amazon. Okay guys, so as you can see, my boxes are empty. And last but not least, I got one more piece. This is my Zaffle sweater that I picked up from Amazon, and it was only $23.99. I love the way it has this little fall off the shoulder. I love stripes. I love the black and white. And yeah, and you can, of course, you can fix it the way you want to fix it. But for me, I like the way it gives a little drape. Bunch of different colors to choose from, so yeah, you should definitely check it out. And also, this was a large. It does say that it runs small. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my Amazon Essential Home Decor for 2022. Christmas came early this year. Fa la 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 la. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.